progress of the renovation works at Barcelona's iconic Spotify Camp Nou stadium is advancing, with notable developments across various sections. In the eastern and western zones of the stadium, workers are continuing the installation of seats in the second tier, and based on current progress, it is expected that all seats will soon be in place in this section. This marks a significant milestone in preparing the stands for future use. In addition, significant headway is being made on the steel structure of the third ring. The strengthening and completion of this massive framework are being fast-tracked, ensuring that the stadium's upper levels are robust and secure. Below ground, construction is also advancing rapidly. The SubZero levels, which house critical infrastructure such as parking facilities and other essential service areas, are seeing continuous progress. Both the club and the construction company have ramped up efforts to accelerate the overall pace of work. Their goal is to partially reopen the stadium for matches as soon as possible while construction continues. Full completion of the stadium is slated for 2026, but in the meantime, the club is working hard to ensure that fans can return to a functional and safe venue during the final phases of renovation. This phased approach will allow for a balance between ongoing construction and the immediate needs of the club and its supporters. Subscribe now and be a part of our stadium-loving family. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and be the first to explore the secrets, stories, and history behind these colossal structures.